So first, the melodic minor scale, what it is, we could say that it's a minor scale with a raised 6 and 7. One of the modes that I use we could call Dorian flat 2. And it's the same as the Dorian scale, but it has a flat 2. And if I'm to create a chord or a 2-chord vamp that brings out this mode, I have to think about what's unique about this mode. It's a minor scale with a major 6, just like a normal Dorian scale is. So that's a significant note. And the flat 2 is a very unique note. So I'll start with this D minor 6 chord, or D minor 7 add 6. But that alone would only imply our normal Dorian. So I'm going to follow it up with an E flat major 7 sharp 11. And that gives us our flat 2. And I'm going to loop these 2 chords. And like most of the modes of melodic minor, we're going to get this really interesting but really eerie kind of sound. Another mode that I like to use is Lydian flat 7. And it's just as it sounds. It's the same as the Lydian scale, but with a flat 7. And another mode that I like to use, we could call Mixolydian flat 6, or flat 13. And again, it's exactly like what it sounds, a Mixolydian. But instead of a major 6, we play a minor 6.